Hello, guys, welcome back to another episode of Marketing with Bry. Today, I want to talk to you about a little experience I had. Well, long time ago, but uh, I'm gonna share with you how first, how I made my very first sale online, um, service-based sale. Basically, how I made money as a teenager. If you're new to this channel, guys, definitely subscribe. I try my best to post helpful content like this without requiring you to pay any money or anything like that. And I try my best to suggest quality products that you'll benefit from as a newbie or even a professional. So today I'll be showing you how I made money as a teenager. But this can work for adults, anybody who's thinking outside the box. That's basically what I did to earn a living when I didn't have any work without a job. So, um, as we all know, there is a need for social media marketing services. Businesses, um, you know, just people in general have a innate need for growing their businesses or reaching out to find more customers. So we know that's a big market and it's kind of saturated if you ask me. So I was trying to think outside the box. How can I reach the people who don't have a business but still want to try something on the side, but they need just that extra push to get started or just that extra voice to take that action. So what I did was I figured out a plan. So there's this website called Add Me Fast. Now, what you do basically is you can visit other people's site and they pay you in points. You could follow people on Pinterest. You could do all these things here and people pay you in points. Like, for example, I could go to YouTube let me log back in. I could go to YouTube hold up, let me find it here. YouTube likes, here it is. And I myself could like someone's video, just like I watch it.
I can hear my ex calling, but I've been.
Okay. So I like that video. If I liked it, I would get the points. And then I could then use these points to ask people to do the same thing for me, like whatever um, whatever I want people to do. So basically, I was like, all right, cool. If I can do that, how can I monetize this? So I signed up for a site called People Per Hour. And I went as a teenager. As a teenager, I signed up for this site and I was like, all right, let's see if I could find people who, want any of these services that I can offer here. Um, Also, you could buy points. They're a little bit expensive, but you could, if the money is good from whoever you're um, talking with, then you could buy points. But you could also get daily points too. If you make 75 clicks, you could get an extra 500 points, which is what I would aim for. Um, so what I did, I signed up for People Per Hour. So the first thing we do is sign up for AdMeFast, check it out, earn some points. Then I signed up for People Per Hour, and what that allowed me to do was to bid on jobs. So I'm just going to give you an example. This is a long time ago, but I found this job, uh, and this guy was paying $20. As you can see, I was awarded the job. So he was paying $20, about $20 US. At the time I was in Jamaica, so that's like 3 days wage to me as a teenager just leaving high school. So I signed up and I sent a proposal. I told him, hey, I can do it for the $20 and I can give you results starting now. Plus, I'll give you extra 100 likes, right? I'll give you extra 1 or 200 likes for the $20. Because, for me, if I should earn this as a day's wage, that's pretty good. That's a little bit better than minimum wage at the time. So I could spend a day just getting points and bringing him likes and giving him extra because I am aware that sometimes, when people like, then they'll unlike the page after a while. So I gave him extra. So what I did was he wanted like to his Facebook page. I took his info. I came over to add page, add a page here. I punch in his Facebook page URL and I paid people like 10 points per like. And to get 1,000 likes, you would need about 10,000 points. So he was paying me $20 and 10,000 points. I mean, it was kind of hard to get, but I can get this 500 within an hour. Like doing 75 clicks, I could get this within an hour. You could easily get 1,000 points in less than an hour if you work hard at it. I mean, an hour or 2 hours. So, I mean, I worked hard and I just keep doing it, getting the 500 points. And within 2 or 3 days, I got him his 1,000 likes, plus I got him an extra 300, I believe it was, if I'm remembering correctly. And he was excited, like he was so happy because I got him the targeted likes that he wanted, because you could do that too. When you go to add page, you would unclick worldwide, and I went and target those in his area, and he was able to get the likes, and he was very happy. I and so that was $20 right there, and I did this for multiple people, and it worked out good. It made me my first $100, and I was like, yes, this online thing can really work. You can make money as a teenager or an adult without a job. You could just think outside the box and do this. I upgraded to Fiverr, and I did the same thing. For $10, I could bring you 100 Facebook likes. I could bring you. I mean, that was low at the time because people were selling fake likes, but I told them it was real people really like. But what I really excelled on was YouTube likes. Now here's the thing, guys. If you can, definitely pay attention to this. We know YouTube's growing. A lot of people are pushing out, especially where you need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. You could go out and message young YouTubers and let them know, hey, I can provide you with the subscribers you need. Like, I could provide you with likes to help your video rank. I could provide you with favorites. I could provide you with whatever you need as it relates to YouTube to let your video rank. I could provide you with Instagram like to let your post rank. Instagram followers. You can message people on Instagram, message people on YouTube, and let these people know I can help you. And you do it for $5 or $10, and I mean, over time, you get these people to constantly use you. And it may sound small, but I mean, you can definitely make it work. You don't have to do $5 or $10. You could do $20, depending on where you are. I was outside the US, so $5, $10 for an hour. That's pretty good. That's darn great for me. But if you're inside the US and you want a little more, you could definitely charge more. I did Fiverr, but Fiverr has become a little bit saturated, so you might want to just go direct, message people on Instagram and stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's how I made money as a teenager. That's one of the ways. I'll be publishing more. I want to publish more often, so I will be publishing more. I have another video in mind coming up in the next few days, so definitely subscribe and keep in touch. But before I let you guys go, if you can, I'll leave my link over in Ebit. Ebit, you can make money with it by buying things online that you would usually buy at different stores and getting cash back. So basically, I know people who shop at Walgreens. This is just personal friends. My good friends who shop at Walgreens. I know people who want to book ticket in my area. I let them know, hey, you can book ticket online. If you're going to book any ticket online or vacation soon, use Ebit. You can earn money with it and get cash back, stuff like that. I just spread the word, and when you do, then you get that cash back. If one of your friends, are going to spend, like, for example, buy something expensive on Walmart, like a TV for $600, and you can get 10% cash back in your Ebit account, and tell them, yeah, let me buy it for you. I could get it for you cheaper. And if you know they're gonna spend willing to spend 600, that's $60 you'll be getting back if it's 10% cash back. Even if it's 5%, that would be $30. Just tell them, hey, yeah, and I could get you $15 off. So 10% cash back or even 5%, which is a 30. They get 15, you get 15. You're all set. And basically that's what I did here too. You could earn money by referring people, and you could earn money by actually getting cash back. Now, Facebook Marketplace is growing tremendously, and this is another way I'm going to talk about soon. I'm going to show you my different techniques, but definitely subscribe if you want to be a part of the notification squad. All right. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys more about the creative ways I made money online. Definitely visit my blog. I'm trying to publish more here, straight from the cranium. I give you straight from the top of my head. And so I'll leave the link down in the description for Ebates. Would love if you guys sign up, because I get to see who sign up, and I could email you directly and help you out with different ways. And also I'll leave the link to AdMeFast. Definitely sign up, because you can make a little money with this on the side. If you have a kid or whoever, you could show them and they could do it too. But thank you guys for watching my videos, and I appreciate you. And you go ahead and have a wonderful day now. And don't forget to subscribe. All right? Bye-bye.